Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we look at two other features on the TikTok ads platform, which are going to be leads management and recommendation center. So let's have a look at this. So once you're on the platform and you go to tools, under management, you have leads over here. So leads management is basically a scenario wherein, let's say you're generating leads offline with through your ads platform. Okay, so how it is working out is you're running a website traffic campaign, which is bringing users to the website and they're filling up the form offline. So now what you want to do is you want to attribute your TikTok ads campaigns which have run to the leads which it has generated. So for which, what you can do is you can integrate your TikTok ads account with an external CRM tool. Okay, so that is what we do out here, where you can connect it with a CRM tool where you have recorded all your offline leads, and those can be attributed inside the TikTok ads account. So here we can connect to CRM, and this allows various platforms can be integrated here. As you can see, there is Google Sheets, HubSpot, Zapier, okay, webhooks, okay, Salesforce, Zoho. Multiple of these are available and which you can select from. So let's say we're selecting Google Sheets. So you can go ahead and do the integration, follow the steps, integrate Google Sheets, and then the data from Google Sheets, which is an offline leads data, will start showing up here primarily. And those can then be attributed to your TikTok ads campaigns, lead gen campaigns, traffic campaigns, which you have been running. I hope this makes sense. This becomes really useful when you're running an offline kind of a business, but have used TikTok ads for driving traffic through your website. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. And the other tool which we're going to use over here is looking at the recommendation center. Recommendation center is primarily automated suggestions or recommendations which TikTok gives you looking at your campaign's performance. Once you start running your campaigns, TikTok ads will look at what are the type of campaigns have you created, okay, what is the kind of ad groups have you created, and based on which it is going to give you some automated recommendations. Okay, and now these recommendations can be of various types, which can be creating some specific type of campaigns, maybe ad groups, ad formats, bidding strategies to be applied on certain campaigns. So wherever TikTok sees that there is an opportunity to improve the overall account's performance, those recommendations will show up over here. And you can go ahead and have a look at those recommendations. And if you want, you can apply. So the idea is that we can have a look at all these recommendations, but we will also make sure that we will apply to only those ones which are actually going to impact our account's overall performance. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand these two features. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next.